Method 1. Use Windows Server built-in Defrag Tool 1. Type Defrag in the search bar on the lower left of the desktop. 2. Select Defragment and Optimize Drives under Best Match. 3. In the pop-up window, click on Change Settings for scheduled optimization. 4. Now, tick the option Run a schedule, and then you're able to set frequency for defrag and choose which drives to defrag. After these steps, click on OK to save the changes. Method 2. Try a more powerful third-party utility. Step 1. Install and launch AOMEI Partition Assistant Sever. Wait until all disks and partitions appear on the home interface, and then right-click the disk and choose Disk Defrag. Step 2. In the Disk Defrag window, click on the Schedule button. Step 3. Now you can choose which drive to defrag and decide whether to run a defrag daily, weekly, or monthly. Then, you can consider presetting on what conditions to defrag. Besides preset how often your hard drives should be defragged, you can set whether to defrag at startup or logon. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.